We gotta catch a sheep off guard. Then we gotta grab him by the neck. At the same time. Yep, we're causing racket. Don't think about the button. Think about the lettuce. What has the lettuce done to save your life? The button has done nothing. The lettuce has done more. Okay, that's the second little puzzle thing. Oh no. Now on to the third thing. Goddamn keyboard, quit messing around with my hands and stuff. Yeah, they gotta. I wish they had fixed that for the fan. But we're now making our way. And we're being under attack by pirates! Goddamn pirates. They've been stealing all our stuff. Yeah, attacking us with viruses and stealing our music and stuff and games. And we've made it. Alright then, so pretty much barren field. But guess what? There's stuff. Actually, it's just behind it back there. I do need to use it. Actually, no. I don't. Just remembered I need to get you, sheep guy. I like to know why do I always make this. Alright then, you got in there, Mr. Sheep Guy. Because you are of importance. You're a very important person. You gotta do your thing. And let's hunt for some gold. That'll just do fun. And there we go. We have our golden coins. There's 10, but I only found 5, but it'll do. Oh, hold on. Is the other one over here? I kind of remember there was a second one here. No, I don't think so. It seems like, oh, there it is. Okay. Just for reviewing reference, there's 4, there's 2, there's 28, there's 90,000. So there you go. Let's collect the gold. And let's trap someone. Why do we need to trap someone? You'll see why. And who else could be a pirate? And that money-grubbing asshole, Yosemite Sam, the rudeness, tunedness hombre of the West. Wait. This isn't the West. We're not in the West anymore, sheep guy. I don't think it is. What we need is cannon. Why? Goal! And how the hell are we gonna do that? You'll see why. And make sure for you, Sam, you don't dig yourself out of your problem. I'm taking that melon detector out. Because you can look for soft spots in the good old dirt, and you can dig yourself out. Say, yo, I want my ship back, I'll kill you, and all your dreams. Say, yarg, I'm a pirate, I need alcohol. Because I have a little bit of Captain Morgan in me. God damn it. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Let's keep laying them down. Like it was nothing. Couple more. There. And let's talk to him. Hey, you rascally agent Bowman. Get away from my boat. Get off my lawn. Actually, no one there we go. There we go. And it's waiting time. And he's almost there. Will he make it? He does make it all the way, but he gets trapped. And he shoots bullets. When does a goddamn pirate do that? I think just for fun in like another video. I'm gonna go in there and see what happens. I don't want to do it because I just want to get this done. No lag, I said stay away. You're not an opponent of mine. In you go, Mr. Sheep. And you're off and running. Into space. That's one goddamn strong thing. Oh, what did I see? I saw something. Space station or something. Oh, I can't get through this.
So what do we do now?
But we'll see. What will be the decision? The sheep was shot in.
The sheep has been put
And
inside the goal,
and the masses flowed in, and I was in
so it should be taken
the goal.
into account, shouldn't it? And one more
And there we go. One more victory for me. I am awesome. And there we go. We have one sheep to go. Will the next video be the final one? Well, as you know, there's going to be a level. As I said, there's a level after this, so there's no surprise. But what will I get another sheep?
And one
Make
more
it
victory.
-1? We'll just have to see, so I'll see you around.